Embarking on a weight loss journey is not just about shedding pounds, it's about embracing a healthier lifestyle. The cornerstone of successful weight management lies in adopting a balanced diet and integrating physical activity into your daily routines. Begin by understanding your dietary needs. Emphasize whole foods. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can fuel your body with essential nutrients. Opt for smaller, frequent meals to maintain energy levels and curb hunger, avoiding the temptation to binge on unhealthy snacks. Incorporating regular exercise into your schedule is vital for maintaining weight loss. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity each week, such as brisk walking or cycling. Strength training exercises, performed twice a week, help build muscle mass, which in turn boosts your metabolism. Find activities you enjoy to make staying active a natural part of your life. Whether it's dancing, hiking, or joining a sports team, adding fun to your workouts will keep you committed. Being mindful of your habits plays a critical role in achieving your weight loss goals. Keep a food diary to track your nutrition and identify patterns or triggers that lead to unhealthy eating. Practice mindful eating by savoring each bite and pausing to recognize when you are full. This approach not only enhances your enjoyment of food, but also fosters better portion control. Stay hydrated as it supports your metabolism and can help you distinguish between hunger and thirst. Replace sugary beverages with water, herbal teas, or infused water options for flavor without the calories. Adequate sleep is equally crucial. Aim for 7 to 8 hours per night, as poor sleep can disrupt your hormones and lead to weight gain. Setting realistic and achievable goals will help keep your motivation high. Aim for a steady weight loss of 1 to 2 pounds per week, which is more sustainable than drastic reductions. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, as this reinforces positive behaviors. Lastly, build a support system. Sharing your journey with friends or joining a group can provide encouragement and accountability on difficult days. Remember, weight loss is a journey that demands patience and persistence. Transforming your lifestyle takes time, but the benefits of a healthier weight, improved energy, enhanced mood, and reduced risk of diseases are well worth the effort. Embrace each step towards your goal with positivity and determination.